Hi friends, my name is Achyut. Uh, I'm from Isaac. And today in this video, we will learn how to write an adult program, like to check whether the person is adult or below the adult. So the program is checking whether a person is adult or the below adult. So as we know, if you want to use scanner, we have to input java dot dot star and scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So let take int age is equal to sc dot next int. Like if we will write the if condition here. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, so which means age is equal to 18 and above 18, then is considered to be adult. System dot out dot println adult. Else system dot out dot println not adult or below the adult. Let us run this program. So we have to comment this thing. So let us run this program again. So there were no errors. So if I put 14, so which is less than adult, which is less than 18. So then it is below the adult. And if I put 21 and press enter, and which is adult, which is more than 18. So I hope you know how to run a program, like how to check whether the person is adult or not in Java. If you like this video, please like it, and if you subscribe it, and please share the video to the more members. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. Thank you so much, friends.